Alright guys, so we got the tent put up. Somebody forgot the trekking poles. Now I don't use trekking poles, so I'll leave that to you to figure out who forgot the trekking poles. But what we did was, and a lot of you always ask us what these extra strings that come with the tent are for. They're actually for to set up the inner liner by itself, but in a pinch you can hook them on to the 2 ribbon tie outs and tie up your tent to a tree. So let me show you what we did. As you can see, we took the hook and just hooked it through this ribbon. You also could go inside and hook inside. We just didn't want this pulled up. We ran it up and just wrapped it around the tree and hooked it off with the hook on the other end. And if we go to the other side, as you can see, it's the same thing. Just goes up, hooks around, and hooks into itself. Now it does make pulling it tight kind of weird. You can straighten these somewhat easily, so you don't want to pull it crazy tight, just enough so you got, shed some water. Usually you want to find 2 trees that are a little farther apart, as you can see. But it'll definitely work for tonight. What do you think, honey?
I think it turned out great.
I think it'll work.
I'm glad I gave you this practice.
This practice.
Practice.
You forget the trekking poles and it's my practice.
Your practice.
I don't think so.
You did a fantastic job adapting.
I know, because I can adapt and survive. You can't even remember your trekking poles. As you can see, it works out pretty good. So make sure you're out living that Lanshan life just like us.
Bye.